everyone. This is my gorgeous 1958 Flying 15, hull number 274, built by UK Tormentor. Got her in Oakland, and as you can tell, she has her original trailer, which is very exciting, but there was no way I was going to take that trailer with my precious boat across from Oakland, California, across the bay to the peninsula, without potentially losing the boat on the freeway in the process. Here's her going over the Bay Bridge, which is fun to think about. I mean, maybe she's looking out onto the water and feeling like she might be on her way to sailing again. So the restoration started with removing the keel from the hull, and this happened. They all completely snapped off. I was terrified and realized that this was going to take a special amount of work to get this done. So I hemmed and hawed for about a month and realized that I might have a way to take this off. All right, we've got our keel. Problem is, these bolts are completely rusted in place right here. See here, that's bad. And right here, and I got a grinder out and just cut them off. Now the problem is we have these all rusted in place and we need to get them out. If you look here, it might be hard to see. We have the head of the bolt. Theoretically, we can use a ball joint press to press them through out the bottom. We'll see how it goes. They just won't budge. I don't know how else to get them out. So, keel is secure. Here we go. So I have this ball joint U-press set, and I rented it from the auto parts store. Oh wait. So here it is. So theoretically, what we will do is put this under here and press from the top down. We'll press it through. So there's enough clearance here and it should work. Theoretically. Alright, so I've got a 22 mil socket on this fabulous adjustable breaker bar. Okay, let's get started. Alright, so I've chosen to start with this bolt. Now it's hard to see. There's not much here. I got a little too happy with the grinder. Maybe ground them a little too short. But it should just press right out. Alright. Here goes. god, it works! Oh my god, it works! Hell yes! Woo! Oh, I'm so happy. Hell yes, it worked. All right. Check this out. So here's our bolt. Yeah. And look, it got pressed out. I need to give it a good push. And I really hope you can see that. It works. I just need to add a little extra leverage. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add this bolt. All right, it's getting tight. Where there's a will, there's a way. Done. Well, we did it. This is outrageously exciting for me. You have no idea how long I tried to figure out how on earth to get these keel bolts out. Thanks for joining me in the removal of these impossible keel bolts. Hope that helps other Flying 15 owners to tackle this job. And for $0, which is fun. Fair winds and following seas. Thanks, everyone.